So today's workout is upper body strength and conditioning. We will be having few core movements, full body movements, which will involve our core as well, primarily the upper body workout. So let's look at it. So in the first round, we are going to, so it is going to be 2-3 sets of all the movements. We'll pick up one movement, do 3 sets and so on. Some movements have 2 sets, some have 3 sets, depending on the duration that movement takes. Okay, so let's get ready. The first movement, we look at the movement and then we start the workout. So first movement is your inchworm crawl. And how are we going to do it? So you start by being at the end of your room or your mat. Go down, take smaller steps. With your hands, crawl. This is the plank pose. Crawl slightly further than the plank pose. And likewise, take smaller steps. Bring your legs in front and get up. Okay. Again, go down. Take smaller steps. Reach the plank slightly further than the plank. And then slowly bring your legs up and get up. Alright, and once you reach the end, you turn around and do the same thing. Okay, let's do it for 30 seconds. Start, everyone. 30 seconds, inchworms. Yes, try to take your hands at least 1 inch further than your plank pose. Yes. Yes, try keeping your knees straight all the while. 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, walk around. We will be doing 2 more sets of this. Take a breather, walk around.
Mehak, how fast or what speed do we need to maintain?
So
Because
it should not be very fast, but it should not be very slow also.
I could only do like 2 of them. So
Yeah,
it's
that's fine. That's fine.
acha, okay.
Okay, let's get ready. Start. Second round. Go down. Yes. Crawl. Slightly go further. Yes. And bring your legs. So just make sure that you are bringing your legs inch by inch closer. Okay. Don't take longer steps. You need to take shorter steps. That is the whole pointer here. Yes. Take shorter steps. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Walk around. All right. Let's get ready for the third set. Take your position. Start. Third set, inchworm crawls. 30 seconds. Yes, very good. Yes, Bhavna, try going down further, as in elongating your body more. Yes, you need to crawl with your hands also, Bhavna, not just your legs. So when you go down, you first go with your hands ahead. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now, in the next movement, what we are going to do is, we will be crawling back. Instead of bringing our legs forward, we will be crawling back. And this time, we go just till the plank pose. Just watch it. So you start from here. You be at one place. Try keeping your knees straight. Now from here, go down, crawl, be in the plank pose. Okay, pause. And crawl back and get up. Okay, again go down, crawl, be in the plank pose and crawl back. All this while, keep your knees straight. Okay, let's do that 10 counts. This is count based. It is going to be 10 counts. Yes. Yes. Very good, Vikram. Good. Yes, good. Dipen, just try to keep your knees straight. Good, Bhavna, good. Yes, 10 counts.
We have to do 10 of these.
Yes, yes. Yes, very good. Carry on. If you have done 10 counts, you will start walking. You can even sit for a while if you wish to, in a cross leg position or on your heels, or you can walk. Okay. Yes, very good, Bhavna. Come back and stand up again. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay, meanwhile, let's watch what we are going to do next. Now, in the next movement, you are going to crawl and do a push-up and come back. Something like this, watch it. So you are here, you crawl, reach your push-up pose. And from here, do a push-up and crawl back up. Okay, again go down. Now, for example, you are not able to do a full push-up. You can go down on your knees, do a push-up, and from here, again, crawl back up. Alright, let's do that. 10 counts. Everyone, 10 counts. Crawl to push-ups. Yes. Good. Yes. Depends slightly. Keep your hands wider, slightly wider. Yes, good Bhavna, good. Yes, good. 10 of these. Once you are done, you start walking. Okay. Alright. Now let's watch the next type of crawl. So what are you going to do? Again, legs are shoulder width apart, knees straight. You go down, be in the plank. Now from here, turn towards one side, pause, come back, turn towards the other side, pause, come back. And crawl back further. Again go down, crawl, reach your pump planks, side plank 1, come back, side plank 2, come back and crawl back up. Yes, let's do that. 10 counts. Start everyone. One on each side and then you crawl back. Yes, quickly, quickly Bhavna, don't rest too much. It should be continuously down and up. Yes, very good. Yes, good. Yes. Try keeping your knees straight, everyone. Don't bend your knees too much. Yes. Good. Walk around those who are done. Okay. All right. Meanwhile, let's watch what we are going to do next. So, in the next segment, we have 3 movements. We will be doing 1 to 10 counts. Just watch the movements. So, you are here, again, legs are shoulder width apart. You crawl down. The movement is your elbow to knee touch. 1, 1, and crawl back up. Now, in the second repetition, what you do is you crawl, you say 1, 1, 2, 2. Crawl back. In the third, you go down, you say 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and crawl back. Likewise, you have to do 10. Okay? Yes? Bhavna, you will be doing 7. Okay? Yes? But you have to finish it.
I already said in my head no.
Yes, 7 you can do. Alright? Chalo. Let's get that going. So first count has 1, 1. Second count has 2, 2. So on up till 10. Yes. Start whenever you are ready. Yes. Yes. Doing good, Amit. Try keeping your knees straight. Very nice, Vikram. Good. Yes. Very good, Bhavna. Good. Yes. So fourth round has 4 per leg repetition. Fifth round has 5 per leg, and so on. 10th repetition will have 10 on each side, elbow to knee touch. Yes. Bhavna, keep looking straight. Don't drop your head. Yes. Good. Yes. Very nice, Amit. Very good. Once you are done, you can start walking. Finish your 10 counts. You can take much time here because 1 to 10 movements. They usually, I give you 3 minutes to finish that. You have a lot of time. Make sure you finish it. Yes. In between, if you want to rest no more than 15 to 20 seconds. Resume. Yes, Bhavna, let's resume. Okay, done. Good. Okay, those who are done can relax. Okay, depend on one last. Good. Very good, Amit. Yes. Yes. Good, Vikram. Good. Lift up your knee more from the side. Yes. Good, good, good. Carry on. Excellent. Okay, once you're done, you can walk, rest a bit, and watch what we are going to do next. Okay, so in the next movement, it is same 1 to 10. Alright, and the movement that we will be doing is suicide plank. So just watch it. So you are here, you go down, crawl till here. Say 1, crawl back. Then in the second round, you go down, you say 1, 2, crawl back. Alright, likewise up till 10. Okay? Yes, let's do that. Yes, yes. Bhavna only 7. Let's do that. Okay. Start whenever you are ready. Okay, so you all will be doing almost 55 suicide planks by the end of it. And apart from the crawls, so it's a full body workout, like upper body is challenged, your core is challenged. Yes, keep breathing. Very good, Amit. Yes, so when you are coming back from the crawl, that is for everybody. If you bend your knees, you won't be able to engage your core as much. So try to tuck in your stomach and try to be as far as possible unless you have to bend your knee. Okay? So engage your core on coming back. Going down is fine. Coming back, you need to not loosen up too much. You need to keep your core engaged. Yes, very good, Vikram. Nice. Very nice, Dipin. Good. Yes. Vikram, when you're going down, try keeping your elbows slightly on the inside. They are too wide like that. Okay, slightly on the inside. Rest is fine. Yes, very good, Bhavna. Yes. Yes. Yes, good, Bhavna, good. Carry on, carry on. Yes. Torso down, look straight. Keep looking straight, yes. Okay. Once you are done, you can start walking. Quickly, let's finish it off. Torso down when you go in the elbow. Yes. Good, good, good. Bhavna, let's do that. So if you are done, all 10, you will be slightly stretching your back. After this, there will be a pause for 1 minute to stretch and then we move further. So you can start doing your cobra pose, your child pose or lie down after the 10 counts. Yes, good Bhavna, good. Torso down, yes, very good. Carry on. Very nice, Vikram. Very good. So you all should be at your 6th or 7th round. If more than that, good enough. But at least 6 rounds should be done by now. Yes. Amit, you are done. How many? Okay, great, great. All right, one last. Fine. Yes, let's do that. Don't rest too much. Bhamna done? Good. Yes. Stretch your lower back if you are done 10 counts. Be in the mountain, be in the cobra, relax yourself, hug your legs while you are sitting, be in the child pose and then walk around. So that relaxes your spine. Yes. Very good, Vikram. Okay. All right. Yes, Vikram, keep stretching your lower back. Meanwhile, let's watch what we are going to do next. Now coming movements are easier. Don't worry. Suicide planks was really tough. Okay. Now we come to shoulder taps. Again, we are going to do 1 to 10. So you start from here. You go down. Be in the plank. Say 1, 1. Crawl back. Get up. Again go down. Be in the plank. 1, 1, 2, 2 and crawl back. Likewise up till 10. Okay, in the 10th it will be 10, 10.
Not easy, Meg. You were saying.
Yes. So easier than suicide planks, but yes. Okay, let's start whenever you are ready. Okay, let's go for it, guys. Yes, very good, Dipen. Good. Yes, nice, Amit. Good. Yes, Bhavna, let's start. Let's start. Let's do that. You will be thanking your body later. Yes, yes, yes. Carry on, carry on. Yes, yes, yes. Good. Yes. Good, Amit. Good. Yes, Vikram, start with your movement. So we will have additional rest after this round of 1 minute, more than 1 minute. Yes. Good. Yes, let's keep doing that. You're doing good, guys. Yes. Keep breathing. At no point hold your breath. Keep looking straight. That automatically corrects your posture. Yes, good, Vikram. Good. Let's do that. Yes, Bhavna, let's resume. Yes, look straight, everyone. Again, if you are done this, you need to stretch your back. Lie down and do some stretching if you are done. Yes, be in the child pose. Flip around and swing your legs side to side. That also relaxes your spine. So I'll tell you a stretch. So while you are lying down, what you do is lift one leg up and take it on the side as much as possible. And then bring it back. And then lift the other leg up. Either you can fold it or take it on the side, or you can take the straight leg also. So the spine will be slightly lifted up while you are stretching. Okay. Now is the last movement of 1 to 10. Okay, after that we will be having back dips and diamond push-ups on the sofa or chair or whatever you have. Okay, so this is the last movement coming up, and that movement is your mountain climbers. And see how are we going to do it. So again, in the first round, you go down, reach the palm plank and say 1, 1. Come back and get up. Again go down and you say 1, 1, 2, 2 and come back up. Likewise up till 10. In the 10th count it will be 10 mountain climbers on each side. Alright, let's do that. Yes. Start mountain climbers.
Mehak, sorry, I missed it. Basically, like the previous one we have to do.
Yeah, it is the movement is mountain climbers.
Okay, fine. ठीक है.
Okay?
Actually, I was lying down, so I couldn't see by the time I got.
Okay, no problem. Alright. Let's keep doing that, guys. Yes. Good, Dipen, good. Yes, Amit, start. Yes, crawl. 1, 1. Come back. Yes. Again, crawl. 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. Yes. Yes, 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 Bhavna. Let's do that. Come on. Let's do that. No, no, no. Let's do that. So Friday needs to make some sense. Come on. Let's do that. Okay. So we all deserve a weekend. So that is why Friday is like that. You need to come back crawling, Bhavna.
Mehak, can I just do mountain climbers? I don't have the
No, do 5. Okay? So do 5 rounds. Don't do 7, do 5 rounds. Yes, Vikram, you also do 5 rounds. Don't overexert yourself. 5 rounds is good enough. Yes, let's keep doing that. If you are done 5 or 10 rounds, whatever you set yourself a target, you can again lie down and do some stretching. Yes, good Dipen. Those who are done, lie down, stretch your back. That is very important. Otherwise, you might feel slight soreness in your lower back. The upper body stretching we will do, but first stretch your lower back before we proceed to the next 2 movements. Yes, good Dipen, good. Very nice, Vipin. Good. Relax. Okay. Now, in the next two movements, we are going to use a table, chair, sofa, whatever you have in your room available. And we will be doing diamond push-ups and back dips. Okay. So, let's watch it. So, it is going to be alternate movements as in one that and one that. So, the first movement is your diamond push-up. So place your hands closer to each other like this against the sofa, table, whatever you have. Step back. You should be in this position to begin with. Alright, now from here go down and come back up. Go down, touch your chest and come back up. So for example, if you are able to go down just this much, that's fine. Go down and come back up. Make sure your hands remain like this. Okay, they are not too wide, they are close. You can make a diamond or you can be here. That is also correct. Elbows close. Okay, let's do only 5 counts in the first set, but make sure you go as deep as possible. Let's do that. First set is only 5 counts, but go deeper. Against the sofa, table or chair. Yes. Amit, bring your elbows closer. So when you are making this angle, your elbows have to be close. I'll show you front view. You are here, elbows are closer. Now from here, you go down and come back up. Okay? So elbows, keep your elbows as close to your body as possible. 5 counts only in the first set. Yes, very good. Good. Vikram, you also keep your elbows closer in the next round. Okay, now the next combining movement is your back dips. Again, you sit on the sofa or whatever you have. Place your hands underneath your hips. Take a step forward. Now from here, go down and come back up. Keeping your hips as close to the furniture as possible. Go down and come back up. Okay, let's do only 5 in the first set. But go deeper, as deep as possible. Only 5, yes. Vikram, slightly bring your legs farther away from, yes. And hips closer, yes. Hands also closer to each other. Amit, take your legs further ahead. Yes, take your legs ahead. Further ahead, so be in this pose as you begin. So if you are here, you need to be here as you begin. Okay, don't be here. You need to be here. And hips closer. And from here, you go down and come back up. Okay, so your legs don't have to be very close. Okay, alright. Now, let's do second set. This time we try doing 7 diamond push-ups and 7 back dips. So, what you do is you are here. You do 7 of these. After that, you turn around and you do 7 of these. Yes? Let's do that.
Mehak, my movement was correct. Diamond push-up.
Yes. So, your movement was correct, but don't try going down from your torso. Go down only from your upper body. Okay? And even if you go down an inch, that's fine. So, what was happening is, yes, so see, what was happening is you were going down like this.
Okay.
Okay, don't go down. What I'm trying to say, just go down this much and come back up. Just go down this much and come back. Yes. Yes, very good, Bhavna. Good. Keep your elbows closer. Keep looking straight. Vikram, you need to take your torso also down. You're just going down with your chest. Take your body. No, take your body down. Take your body also down. Yes, much better. So see, Vikram, see. What you are doing is, you are here. You are doing this movement. Okay. What you need to do is slightly step back so that your body is tilted. Once you come in this position, it will make easier for the entire body to go down. Okay. If you are here, it gets difficult going down. Slightly take your body back. Okay. Yes. 7 diamond push-ups and 7 dips. After this, rest for 30 seconds and then try doing 10 diamond push-ups and 10 dips in the third set, and that is all. Okay? Yes. Those who are done second set will rest for 30 seconds and try hitting 10 counts. Yes, very good, Vikram, good. Yes, quickly, Bhavna, quickly. Let's do that. Yes, very good, Bhavna. Very nice. Excellent. Keep that going. Good, Amit, good. Yes, very good, Dipen. Third round is 10-10. Yes, very good, Dipen. Nice. Good, Bhavna, good. Yes, keep looking straight. Bhavna, keep looking straight. Yes. Now go down. Yes, excellent. Good. Yes, very nice, Vikram. Much better, much better. Yes, Amit, rest for a while and then do the back dips. Body is too tired, so rest for a while. Hips closer, Amit, hips closer, hands closer. Do less number of counts. I'm fine with that. Do only 5. That's okay. But movement should be correct. Okay, those who are done will lie down and stretch your spine. Bhavna, done. Chest out, back straight. Yes, if you are done 3 sets, you lie down and stretch your spine. If you are still to do the last set, you can do. I give you 1 more minute to finish off whatever, wherever you are.
3 sets, right?
Yeah, 3 sets. Okay. All right. Relax, everyone. Rest for another 30 seconds. Then we'll be starting with our stretching. Okay. Let's get up. Walk a bit. Okay. Now join your legs. Straighten your knees. Lift yourself up. Raise your hands up. And start walking on your toes. Elongate your spine. Raise your hands up. Start walking on your toes.